All right, okay. So time for us to say a goodbye in 10 minutes time. Okay, so we're gonna have the photo session. Yeah, everybody can on the video, but I'm not sure whether we can have everybody in one. Uh, I'm going to try the large gallery. I'm not sure whether you could see this or not, but at the moment I'm trying the large gallery. All right. Okay, so this is the large gallery. Okay, anyway, I am recording this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 36 people, still not enough. Yeah. All right, so we are recording this. Okay, now, yeah, possibly. So we have 8 rooms. Okay. So room 1 to room number 4, you on camera. Room 5 to room 8, you off your camera for the moment. All right. So give the opportunity to the first 4 rooms. Okay, so ready? So this is room 1 to room 4. Okay, so this is the large view. I'm trying the normal view. Normal view. This is normal view. I'm not sure whether you could see it or not. Okay, and large gallery. That's a normal gallery. This is large gallery. All right. So MS Team is recording this. After this, you can capture. Okay, now 1 to 4, you off your camera. Room 5 to room 8. Now you on your camera. So we'll give the opportunity to them. Okay, so we start with the normal gallery. This is normal gallery. So what I am reading now and what I'm seeing now, and this is recorded by MS Team. Okay, normal gallery. Okay, now I'm changing it to large gallery. Yes, so this large gallery. All right. Okay, now everybody can on your camera. Everybody, including room 1 to room 4. Yeah. Yeah. So MS Team is not like Zoom. For Zoom, you can open page by page, but not so for MS Team. For MS Team, those who are earlier can get their face. Uh, yeah. So this large gallery. All right. So we are going to finish. Okay. Last word from anyone here. After this, starting from next week, Dr. Farida will be taking over. So I'll be off and I will be marking your first assignment. Yeah.